Hey guys, welcome back to my channel DM Satya. In today's video, we'll be discussing about Facebook business page, how to create a business page, and the step-by-step guide. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing my channel and hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever I add a new video. Now let's open the Facebook profile and click here pages. And here you can see all the pages of mine which I have created earlier. Now let's see create a page. Click on create a page here, and then you can see the layout. It is asking the informations, and you can see this is the view of mobile, and it is the view of desktop version. And now let's add the information it is asking. It is asking page information. So for a demo I'm creating this page. I'm writing digital training as the page name, and in the category, as it is a training program, I'm adding education as the category. Depending upon your category, you can add it. Like if you want to create for some other category, then you can do it. Then you will add a description, any description that defines your page. You can add it. Here I'm adding. Here you can get all the training ideas. After then, now click on create. Yes, so now page is created, and we need to add other informations it is asking. Like it is asking for the image, for the profile as well as the cover pic. Let's add it here. It says image, add a photo. Click on add a photo. Yeah, I have selected some photos. For demo I'm adding my old profile pics, which is DM Satya, and then add a cover picture. I'm adding my profile and cover pictures so that it will be easier to you understand. You can see digital marketing DM Satya, profile picture and cover picture both are set. Now click on save. So you can see the page has been created, digital training, and the page is looking professional after adding the pictures of DP and profile pic. And now here you can see you can create a username, but it will not take because the page has been created right now. I'm trying one, other digital training. Let's see it is available. No, it is not available. So you need to write something like 12, but it is available. Yes, let's see create. No, it won't take because the page has been created right now. So you need to give it some days, and after adding some post, after some conversations, it will take. It won't be because of the security reason. Now let's quickly make a post. Let's see, write hi, welcome to my page. It is for a demo testing. I'm showing you. I'm doing little bit of customization to look good. Here select this. Okay, so now check all the things and go for post. Okay, not now. So now we can see the post has been lived. Yes, and you can check the other details. Scroll down and check the other details. Here you can invite all your friends to know and make them know about your page. And this is all about the page has been created, and it is looking very professional after adding the all the things. This is all about today's session. Please hit like button if you like this video and share with your friends. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing. Thank you. I'll be coming with a new video very soon. Thank you. Bye bye.